Oh, thanks. I still don't see the queen, but you know she's there.
Yeah.
Look at all of that brood.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
It's pretty heavy, both sides. Plus the comb on the bottom. Careful, you're brushing the comb.
Yeah, he is. He's got bees on this side too. And... Ladies, you're doing great.
Thank you, Sean.
I can stand over there, maybe.
No, you're good.
If you want to, but it's perfect where you're at.
Well, Sean, you can't get it too close or you're going to start getting really hot.
Wow. There's another one. Full of stuff.
Well, and further back we get a little spread light, which is nice.
Yeah.
I still don't see the queen.
Well, we obviously know she's somewhere.
Oh, she's like double the size?
I don't see any supersedure cells.
No.
No swarm cells.
What does that mean? No queens?
Well, they're not making queens.
Okay.
So there is a queen in the hive.
I bet she's in the next one up, since that's so full of brood.
Alright, so lots and lots of brood. Depends on what we find in the second level.
Oh, wow. Not much
Oh.
in that guy.
They haven't drawn this out much. I still don't see a queen.
Let's see
A lot
the
on that
most.
side.
Still don't see a queen.
What's up? Over here?
None. Maybe a drone.
Check this is really something.
But that's
Lots of bees in
not.
the bottom.
The queen will
Yeah,
fly
that's because
away.
they've been running.
So I just like, I was what you
Neat.
do.
But she won't. She'll stay on the comb. She won't leave the comb.
Alright, check that out.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you're drawing it out? Pretty good.
Well, this is the last frame on the first level.
They're doing all right.
Sorry, ladies.
What's the dead ones down there?
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That they haven't
Not
pushed
like
out?
a ton, but decent amount.
They're very calm on the top layer. Seem a little.
Alright,
They're
here
all
we
up
go.
on the bottom.
So,
There's wax on the top of that one now.
Yeah.
Glue it together again.
That's so cool. Oh,
Where
yeah.
did it start off with? Just a couple
The
starters?
bottom. And then they had one of the plastic ones is solid, and then the rest of them are all just a little bit at the top, and then they filled in the rest.
alright, turkey.
And they make different sizes. So it's what we do. Of the little size of the cell.
They make different
Mhm.
larger,
The smaller the cell, the smaller the bee.
Well, that's a
More-
drone that's flying
Yeah,
around.
this one right here, that big one, right?
Yeah,
That's a
That's
drone.
one, right?
that's a drone.
This is duty.
What are drones for, Dad?
They mate with the queen. They're the males.
That's just all they're good for?
And that's all they do.
Do they mate with this queen?
What queen?
Your queen?
Our queen.
I'm trying
Yes.
to understand how this...
No, they don't. If they supersede her and make another queen, or they're going to, or they're going to swarm.
Careful, careful.
Ooh, that one's.
Careful.
Yeah, on this side. Look.
You have to be careful though. Sometimes they get smushed. You try not to smush anything.
So if they're gonna swarm, they make another queen.
And the only difference is between a regular bee and a queen is the last 3 weeks of pupation, the queen is called royal jelly, whereas the other ones are not. They're not good for 3 weeks, but like last 3 days. Last 3 days of germination. The queen is fed royal jelly.
Must be expensive.
It is. Oh, no, no.
Hate that crunchy.
I know. It just, it makes me twinge.
Well, I try to go slow enough that they'll go get out of the way.
They seem to.
Yeah. All right. Upper level.
Root it together too, Heather.
We're running low on juice.
Crab fishing.
Like, that light's dimming. We're at the charger.
Well, they've started.
Oh, look at that.
Not much, but
Look at them dangling.
Yeah, they whacked that one out, huh?
What do you mean?
Well, they started the wrong direction on there.
Oh no.
Yeah. You ought to see the one next door.
Is it the wrong direction too?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh goodness.
Sideways.
Why'd they do that?
I don't know. They just do.
they didn't read the book.
They didn't read the book.
It told them-
No, I'm okay. I'm not on you guys.
I want to get rid of this piece. Of course, they don't want me to get rid of it
Why?
because it's got honey in it.
Put it down there. They're sucking up the honey. See?
Oh, I see. You might need to... I don't know if he can flick it that far without doing harm, Dave.
Flash charge. I think. They are busy on that rack. It's a lot different noise
Yeah.
on this rack. And it's smaller.
And see if they make their own, then that's more how they make it. Instead of those loopy things.
Yeah. It's all weird.
They're at it, but still
Mhm.
not errated.
Really interesting.
Don't throw it on the ground too much.
I want to try a little...
Yeah.
Here, I got you.
Thank you.
Make sure you're not eating brood.
They don't. They typically in white comb they don't have brood in there with the honey.
Can I taste? Good stuff.
Thanks.
Very sweet honey.
Thanks.
It's got a distinctive flavor.
What?
Happening here.
Yeah.
Sorry, Jonathan. Your face.
Glue it together again.
Yeah, down here on the bottom they got cone going sideways.
That's what we figured this out.
Oh, wow, why is that color?
different.
just dark honey.
Maybe they subcontracted out to a different family, Joe. They're making a different kind of honey for them.
Thank you.
Could be, although, did Joe tell you he saw an attack?
Mm-hmm.
That strange. Is that pollen in the dark spot?
Yeah.
Here's some more in a second.
I don't know if I've had honey that tastes that
Look at
good in
that.
a while.
There's a big glob right there.
Oh my gosh.
Brood in this one.
That's so exciting.
Right in. See all that?
No queen yet?
Still don't see a queen.
Well, if there's brood, she's got to be there somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Somebody's putting in the eggs.
Yeah.
It's not me.
I'm not laying any eggs. Do you need me to run that in? Got it?
Oh, you guys rock. That is so good.
How do you
Be careful that your tummy doesn't brush up against that one on the edge.
All right.
extract the honey? Can you just heat it up somehow? So it'll drip out of the comb, or?
Well, they're the Pikespeak beekeepers they have an extractor. So evidently there's something that they
Like a community extractor?
Keep this
yeah,
here.
you can I don't know if I don't think they rent it, do they? Or do you may rent something
Or it's like a timeshare.
yeah, a small fee or something for it, or maybe on membership fees that help pay for
For
it.
your extractor. Yeah.
And so we just get it.
That was
that is a lot of cat brood. Wow.
Well,
Look
you
at
can
the
tell,
honey and
too.
the white.
I know it's dripping down the side over there where the bees are hanging off.
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
So when they're
Got it?
not
Yep.
reproducing, that's the worst possible thing.
Right.
You can chew on the wax like gum too.
I am.
So far I don't think he's gotten rid of
Ripping.
Okay.
It gets pretty intense the
But
more
it
frames you
doesn't
get, huh?
Huh?
Gets pretty